guys, welcome back to the world of Morgo. My name is Morgan Fitzpatrick and this is my channel. I haven't really been active on here in a really long time, but I'm trying to get that consistency factor back. So welcome, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, all of the good stuff. And right now it is Saturday, August 14th. And I am about to take myself out on a date because we love ourselves. We're loving ourselves, all 2021. And I figured, why not? So I made brunch reservations at 11 at Residence Cafe and Bar. It's this, restaurant that I've been wanting to try for a while now. And I was finally able to secure reservations. So doing that. And then I'm also going to Inside the Wardrobe DC, which is it's like an art installation of I think over 20 different fashion installations where you can it's interactive, so you basically a content creator's playground, to say the least. So I'm excited for that, and I might meet a friend there. I'm not too sure yet, but yeah, that's how I'm spending the first half of my day. So come on, let's go. Okay, before I head out, I wanted to show you guys my outfit and what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this cute, flowy top from Pink Plastic Babes. I just have on some simple, I'm so sorry, my mirror is dirty, need to clean that. But just some simple biker shorts. It's gonna be hot and I didn't want to wear pants. And I just really didn't feel like wearing a dress today. And then shoes, shoe cam. I have these looped heels from ASOS. People always get on me for that, whichever one, y'all get it. And then this simple box purse from, I think this is from Forever 21. And yeah. This is a quick reminder to date yourself and to stop waiting around on others to live your life. Y'all, I had the best time by myself. So just get up and go one day and take yourself out. I promise you, you will have the best time. Inside the Wardrobe is filled with over 20 interactive photo-worthy installations. It's basically like a fashion funhouse, and it's the perfect pop-up exhibit to, expand and inspire the way we think about fashion. The exhibit took me at least an hour to get through, and masks are required, but you are allowed to move them for pictures. Again, this was a solo date, and I really did have the best time by myself. So when you check in, they give you this David cutout, and you're supposed to go around to each room and hold David up so you can catch the print on it, which I thought was pretty cool. Okay, y'all, so this pink room ended up being my favorite room, and I set up my tripod here to take some pictures, as you can see. And these pictures were popping. Of course, I'm going to insert one here for you guys so you can see. Follow my Instagram for the full dump. So y'all, at the end of the exhibit, they had the cutest runway, and of course the girl had to get on it because why not? Hey guys, welcome back. Another day, another vlog. The last time I was with you guys, I had taken myself on a solo date, out to eat and out to Inside the Wardrobe. Well, today I'm going on a date, and it's not solo. I am going to Selfie World with a friend of mine at I Am Simply K, Kristian. We're going to Selfie World. It's kind of similar to Inside the Wardrobe. Basically a nice creative like pop-up where you can shoot content, take pictures, selfies, videos, all of that fun content creation stuff. I'm really excited because this is something that was, you know, on my to-do list, so I'm glad to finally be going. And this time I won't be alone, and I'll have someone to help me take my pictures and shoot my content, which is always great. After we finish up at Selfie World, we're gonna go grab drinks, have girl time, catch up, you know, spill the tea, all of that fun stuff. And yeah, a cute little hump day date. We're almost through the week. I'm so relieved. And yeah, I'm just finishing up my makeup. Our tickets are for 7 p.m. It's 5:42 p.m. right now, so I'm about to finish touching up my makeup and actually leave in probably like 10 minutes. Because I kind of want to stop by Zara before we go. Selfie World is at Tyson's Corner Mall. So I'm trying to slide to Zara for a few before we go in. I've been looking for 2 dresses from Zara, and I want to see if they have them in store so I don't have to order it online because we love that. And yeah, I have on this just simple black jumpsuit from Pretty Little Thing. There are so many different like installations and different pop-up rooms with like a whole bunch of different colors and all of that. So I decided to stick to one color, one solid color, no patterns or anything, just so my pictures can look a little bit, you know, consistent and not all over the place since there's so many different, you know, colors and themes. So yeah, I will check in with you guys when I get there. So Selfie World is a do-it-yourself photography studio with over 25 interactive selfie stations where you can immerse yourself in the different fun and colorful art stations that they have available. And all you need to bring with you is your phone because they provide you with phone stands and Bluetooth clickers to help you take your pictures upon arrival, which is, you know, honestly perfect, which helps you get all the best shots you need. Okay, y'all, we made it to, well, I made it to Selfie World. Kristian is parking and about to walk in, and it's adorable in here. Like the perfect date night, date idea, cute little girls' day, and it's even the perfect solo date because they have tripod stands and Bluetooth clickers if you need to take your pictures. I mean, in ring lights, I mean, come on. Perfect. Okay.
And then when you're done, you're just going to go to your camera and we'll just do a test shot. We can shoot Miss Morgan here.
Okay.
But just so we can make sure the shutter.
Yeah, it's connected.
So go to your camera.
Okay.
And then we can take a picture of you guys.
Yeah, it's adorable. You look cute. Okay. Miss I Am Simply K has arrived. Okay, we got our little setup going. Yeah. Go ahead. Oh. Yeah, click. Yeah. This is actually really cute. Yeah, click it. Okay, yeah, click. You got it? Yeah. This is so cute. So once we left Selfie World, we went to Barrel&Bushel for some drinks and like bites. We both got the sangria, which was delicious. We got a pretzel and chicken sliders, and it was delicious. And we've reached the end of the vlog. So thank you guys again for watching.